My name is Megan Zodi and I'm in Bio 141 at the University of Mount Union, and today I'll be talking about wasps. The taxonomic classification of wasps starts with the kingdom, which is Animalia, the phylum, which is Arthropoda, the class, which is Insecta, the order, which is Hymenoptera, the family, which is Vespidae, the genus, which is Vespula, and finally the species, which is V. vulgaris. Wasps live in different regions all around the world. They can live in cooler climates or a little warmer climates. They live in nests which are created by the queen, and they are made up of chewed wood and plants mixed with saliva. These nests form sort of a pasty material, and when they dry, they are like paper mache. These nests can be found in soil, trees, walls, roofing spaces, and bark. Nests can consist of more than 5,000 wasps, and they can be up to 30 centimeters long. In cold, wasps become more tired and agitated and aggressive. In extremely cold weather, worker wasps die off, leaving the queen to hibernate. Wasps feed off of smaller insects, and they also feed them to their larvae to help them grow. They really like sweet, so they like nectar, fruit, and honey, and they will also feed off of plants. There's one queen who gets fertile before the winter, and all the worker wasps die. This queen is the only breeding female. The queen will build its nest in the spring and lay its eggs. The queen will remain in the nest and keep producing eggs while the other wasps mature and become worker wasps and keep building on the nest. The queen wasp is the larger wasp in the middle, and the worker wasps are surrounding her. Over time, there have been many evolutionary adaptations of wasps. One of them is facial recognition. There are some species of wasps that have, over time, been able to develop facial recognition of humans and animals, and they can, instead of just seeing humans as like an object, they can recognize because of the face, and they can make out the facial expressions of humans. They also release a pheromone when in danger. This is adapted over time, and it helps to warn other wasps nearby when there's danger around. Since there's only one breeding female, other female wasps have developed their egg-laying organs and use them as stingers to help fear off predators. And finally, wasps have evolved into swarming, which means multiple wasps will go out at a time and stay close to each other in case there's danger around, and then multiple wasps can attack the danger at once instead of just one wasp trying to fight it off. Wasps have very many ecological significances. They control the insect population by eating the smaller insects and feeding them to their larvae. They also help control crops and maybe take away the harmful insects that could be killing the crops. They provide pollination because wasps are attracted to the fruity, sweet smell of some plants and also the colorful petals of flowers. They will go and lay on the flowers and collect the pollen on accident. They're not trying to, and they will transfer it to other flowers, which helps with pollination. They're also decomposers. They love sugary sweets, so they are attracted to fruits. They will go and eat some fruit and help break that fruit down, and so it can decompose better. Humans impact wasps in many different ways. One of the ways is when humans provoke a wasp, the wasp thinks they're in danger, and they will go and attack the human by stinging them. And if a human starts fighting back, the wasp will sting it, and its stinger could get stuck in the human, and wasps can't live very long without their stinger. Another way is habitat loss. Humans knock down their habitat with a bat or with another object, and that they crush the nest, that there's many wasps that'll be in there that could be harmed, and they also shoot a toxic spray like Hot Shot into the nest to kill off the remaining wasps, and other wasps will not want to come back to the nest because of the toxins. So save the wasps. Do not knock down the nest. The wasps are trying to live peaceful and they are very helpful. So do not knock them down and let them be. Do not harm or kill the wasps. They are needed to help with insect control and pollination, and they're decomposers, and they just want to live peacefully and they're not trying to hurt you. So do not agitate them. They will fly around peacefully and not provoke you unless you start to attack them, and they will fight back, and they have stingers, so it will hurt. So save the wasps. Thank you.